Fujian Tenlead Advanced Material Company Limited, locating in Fujian Province, China, started doing independent research and development in phenolic foam insulation materials since 1998. With good product quality and R&D innovation, we have become one of the top 20 companies globally. The continuous research and development innovation is the foundation of development. We have a professional R&D team with doctors and masters, as well as scientific research laboratories. Meanwhile, we have established long-term cooperative relations with colleges or professional institutions, such as Beijing University of Chemical Technology, Xiamen University, and Chinese Academy of Sciences. So far, our products have achieved CE, DCL certificate, and passed BS 476, ASTM E84 tests. We have a standardized management system and take environmental protection policy seriously. Quality Management System Certification ISO 9001 and Environmental Management System Certification ISO 14001 were successively well obtained. We have strong manufacturing ability. We are equipped with self-developed production lines and synthesis workshop, with an annual output of 200,000 tons of phenolic resin and 1.5 million cubic meters of products. Our sales and markets spread all over the world, including USA, UK, Italy, Korea, Australia, Canada, Middle East, and South Africa. Looking forward to the future, we will continue focusing on the R&D, providing customers with more healthier, environmental-friendly, and cost-effective advanced insulation products, and aiming to accelerate the carbon peak and net zero emission. We are passionate about what we are doing. Tenlead welcomes your coming.